is the entrance barred? What secret do they guard? What are they designing in there?
Magic, magic Motorama. Magic Motorama. Here, long before the show is staged, begins the magic of creation. And here the show first comes to life in the designer's imagination. Oh my, it's great to be alive.
Let's have some fun before the crowds arrive.
Let's pretend we're living the magic of the past.
Cool, man, cool, but we'll have to work fast. Turn back the clock and come with me to days of golden chivalry, when ladies fair loved knights in shining armor. You'll be my strong and gallant knight, so tender when our hearts are light, so brave when you must fight an evil Your magic sword will save the day. You'll chase the dragon far away and turn my life of woe to joy and laughter. Then troubadours will sing your praise in chansonnets and rondelets, and I'll be yours to love forever after.
Let's get out of here.
It's too late.
Ladies?
Gentlemen,
The magic of the past doesn't last.
what we want to see
Is the magic
of the present.
Modern Magic. The beautiful 1961 Chevrolet. This car practically drives itself. Want to try it?
I'd love to.
How's that for magic?
Smooth, man, smooth.
The 1961 Pontiac. It's bewitchingly beautiful.
Look who wants a lift.
Behave yourself. The new Oldsmobile. You will be enchanted by its comfort and power.
In this car, you feel like everything's coming up roses.
The Buick for 1961. Designed and engineered for the spell of the open road.
She walks in beauty like the night. She rides in Buicks like a bird in flight.
You're so right.
And now the last word in modern alchemy. The 1961 Cadillac.
I'm beginning to like this.
So am I. But we've got to get back. People may talk.
A touch of magic will fix that.
Oh.
Home, James.
This dream house you and I will share was planned for us by Frigidaire.
I really can't believe my eyes. In every room, a new surprise.
Aladdin's lamp has had its day.
This modern magic is
Here to stay.
Oh, let's have a housewarming. I'm tired.
Come on, dear. Our guests are arriving.
Oh, look. Here are the Smiths in a new Pontiac Tempest. What a dream house. What a dream automobile.
Hi, kids. Get a load of my Oldsmobile F85.
Say, Freddie, that's the latest.
And the greatest.
It's Dr. and Mrs. Brown.
Good evening, newlyweds.
Where do I park my new Buick Special? Just bought it.
How smart.
Smartest thing he ever did.
Well, everybody is here now.
And for a wedding present, in your garage, a new Chevrolet Corvair.
Housewarming, lovely house and fine design. Housewarming.
Oh, the food is so divine.
No thanks, I'm on a diet. Can't eat a thing tonight.
If you insist, I'll try it. Just a bite.
'Cause it's a housewarming.
Friendly eyes begin to shine under the magic spell of each teeny weeny polka dot mantini.
Your old friends wish you well.
Your
old friends wish you well.
After the party is over and done with, what a mess the place is in. That's when the cleanup blues begin.
But the Frigidaire house has gadgets to use that will drive away your cleaning up blues. Just pick up the plates, the button is pressed.
And the dishwashing unit does all the rest.
The glassware, silverware clean themselves.
Washed and dried, they're back on the shelves.
Well done. You must be tired.
Not me. I'm ready for another party.
A touch of magic every day.
Is the charm that goes a long, long way.
It keeps our spirits young and gay.